Viewers, welcome to GV Explorer. Today we are going to explore Karuna Nursery Garden, which is near to Prardhana Theatre in Jambakam, Chennai. The detailed address is added in description box. This is a one-stop shop and a specialized nursery with a wide varieties of plants ranging from small pots to large trees. This is a 3.5-acre nursery which is extremely spacious. There is massive selection of plants with good ambience and it's a best place to buy plants. This has huge count of exotic indoor and outdoor plants. The service will be very good and there are people to help at every corner. Here you can get indoor plants, palm varieties, hanging plants, fruit plants, medicinal and aromatic plants. There are many varieties of succulents, creepers and holy plants. Let's get into the nursery and explore more. Terminalia, a genus of large trees of the flowering plant family. Anilinium, a bonsai tree looking very beautiful. Lucas, and another bonsai next to it. There are huge count of money plants. While moving forward, and then we see many medicinal plants and full of greenery. Next we see cinchona plant. It is used for increasing appetite and treats for stomach problems. Next, Aglaonema plant, which is a perfect indoor plant and doesn't require sunlight. Xanadu, this is an ornamental decorative plant which has dark green leaves. Next we see orchids, which are very popular around the globe for their beauty and varieties. They are colorful and fragrant and are rewarded as indoor plants. Aglaonema snow white plant, which is suitable only for indirect sunlight. These plants will give you stylish look and low maintenance and are best for indoor air purifying. See the lovely orchids here. The next bonsai Christmas tree. You can see here a huge bonsai trees. See the lovely white rose saying hi to us. There are many rose varieties with different collections and colors. The nursery is fully greenery with many indoor or outdoor varieties as mentioned earlier. And it is a pleasant place where you feel like you are in different world. A finance proverb says, the ultimate goal of farming is not the growing of crops, but the cultivation and perfection of human beings. Now we see tulasi plants which are holy one and also used as a medicine. See here, the grafted mango plants having flowers will give you a beautiful experience. In our way, we see another bonsai. We can view a huge count of cactus varieties in tiny pots. These plants gives you strong protective energy. This will help in eliminating bacteria and tackling pollution. All cactus plants absorbs carbon dioxide at night to release oxygen, so that we can call it as symbolic of mother's unconditional love. Next, we see snake plant and black gigi plant. And then bamboo plants, which provides you positive energy and brings good health, peace, happiness into the home. Here we can see a lily pond and is a very beautiful one. The small drops of water floating on the leaves. All the indoor varieties of plants are very fresh and are greenery. Next we can see Basera palm. While moving forward, we can see golden money plant and then Sanguifolia. Next we see the beauty of fan lilies. And next Xanadu plants. These are rich green and lush. This is ideal indoor plants for tables and desks. This reduces air pollution. While moving forward, Aglaonema lipstick plant. And then bamboo palm plants. There are peace lilies, which are also indoor plants. And next, cinchona plants and begonia plants, turtle white plants, which usually best for hanging turtle pots. The leaves of this plant resembles the shells of the turtle. This grows with a partial sunshade and is evergreen. Next we see Gigi plants and many other indoor plants. Next we see Pisonia plant. And here comes the next beautiful and colorful plants called as bougainvillea, where a single tree is grafted with multicolors of flowers. Then next we can see a huge count of hybrid roses. Then Ficus benjamina black exotica. Then we can see golden cypress plants. And next night flowering jasmines and other jasmine varieties. By viewing this nursery, we can quote that happiness radiates like the fragrance from a flower and draws all good thoughts towards you. Every flower is a soul blossoming in nature. Next we can see Petra croton plant. And then Dracaena plant. These plants helps us to improve air quality and gives us positive energy. And next in our list is Celodendron plants. And we can see Rhapis palm. And then table palm. Then next Mayur castle trees. These are very light green and makes your soul happy. There we can see Dracaena colorama and starlight plants. These are extremely popular houseplant tree due to its beautiful white and green foliage and graceful appearance. Next in our list is banana palm. When we move forward, we can see huge varieties of different plants with full greenery. Next in our count is temple tree. These are most beloved garden plants and has new moon color and also has medicinal values. And next we can see foxtail palm trees, which are easily maintained and can be planted with regular watering, which gives a pleasant look to your house. These plants are fast growing with tropical and subtropical temperature, and they can grow in higher humidity. Next we can see Thai mango. Here we can view for a small plant the mango is cropped. This is very attractive and evergreen grafted. It has a tropical aroma and rich flavor. Next we can see Thai pink guava. This is also a grafted plant where you can see guavas cropped. Next in our list is sweet lime tree. While moving forward into the green lush, we can see arali plants with white flowers will attract your eyes. Next they are day lilies and also called as yesterday and today lily plants. Next we can see a huge collection of jasmine plants with a bunch of jasmine flowers on it. Then we can see arali dwarf plants, which grows in short and gives you a large number of flowers. They are very well patterned. Next in our list we can see hibiscus with different colors. It provides you antioxidants and helps you to lower blood pressure and fat levels. The flowers of hibiscus can be used for hair growth. It also be used in tea and in medicine. This makes you to remove age spots and makes you to look younger. It will also controls egg breakouts totally this is an anti-aging plant. Then we can see hybrid lemon plants. Red guava plants. See here, there are 3 guavas planted in a single stem. Next is Rosalia plant, which are in white and purple colors. Here, while moving forward, we can see black lily, and Caesalpinia. Here we found a beautiful butterfly taking rest. Then we see orange plants, sapota plants, and amla plants. Next in our list is bonsai trees. Here there are huge number of bonsai trees which will not make you to turn back. Next we see Panchitiya plants. And next is Christmas tree. And Ixora plants. Plumeria alba plants which has white flowers. Then while moving forward we see a huge count of palm trees welcoming us. These are evergreen and has a lifespan of about 100 years depending on the species. These trees can grow in hot climate and also used a lot in parks and gardens. Next we can see Terminalia bellerica. Next we can see Thai guava trees. This nursery is a place where plants are propagated and grown to a desired age. Here in this nursery, Plants are grown in open fields and also in container fields. They maintain proper ventilation and sunlight. In this nursery, they follow traditional and organic methods of raising plants with zero usage of chemicals. And finally, we moved on to pot section, where we can see different varieties of ceramic pots with multiple colors and many sizes. Finally, I can say this is the best place to gain knowledge on plants all in one place. One word of advice is to go in your spare time with your family and explore the nursery.